Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how long it takes to get approved for a Robinhood account. The time it takes to get approved for a Robinhood account can vary quite a bit. Many users report that their account application is approved in a matter of minutes. However, the official guidance from Robinhood is that it may take a few days to review your materials and open your account. Here's a breakdown of the process and factors. Quick approval, minutes. If all the personal information you submit matches up perfectly with the public records they use for verification, approval can be nearly instant. This is the best case scenario. Standard approval, a few days. Robinhood states it may take a few days to review your application. This is a common time frame if your application needs a standard check by their system or a human reviewer. Potential delays, longer. Missing or mismatched information, if there are any discrepancies in the personal details you provide, or if the system cannot automatically verify your identity, they may need to ask for additional documents like a photo ID or proof of address. This back-and-forth communication and document review will naturally extend the approval timeline, potentially taking several more days. High volume. During periods of high demand, the volume of applications can slow down the manual review process for applications that need extra scrutiny. The key is the email. Regardless of how long it takes, you will receive an email from Robinhood either confirming your application's approval or asking for more information to complete the verification process. What you can do while waiting. You can actually queue a deposit before your account is officially approved. Robinhood will not initiate the transfer from your bank until the account is fully approved. In summary, while many users are approved almost instantly, be prepared for it to potentially take a few days, especially if Robinhood needs additional documentation to verify your identity. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.